How Jamaicans send you go shop?
Lily girl, come let me send you go to shop there. Alright, here. More good shop go buy £1.5 of flour, right? With some caramel pan top of it. But make sure selling it, no sell the Weeble flour, you know, because she love sell Weeble flour. Then now, more you buy half a bread and butter, you see? Half a bread and butter, but make sure say you don't get no stale bread. Then now, more you buy quarter pound of saltfish with 2 tomatoes. Quarter pound of saltfish with 2 tomatoes. But me no want she sell you the tail of the saltfish. Then now, more if you buy pound of sugar, but me no want the dirty drugs, the sugar. Make sure she sell the clean sugar. Then, more if you buy 1 quench head, but any flavor under God earth, but orange, alright? And last but not least, listen good. More you buy 3 bag juice, you see? 3 hard bag juice with ice in it. If you add, but no ice no in it, or if they have ice in them, but they no add, me no want it, alright? And any change you get, you can use it by ice mint, alright? Hurry up and come.